Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for April for you and I've got a Roccabox. This is how it arrives in the post. It's got my address on the front there. If you're new to Roccabox, then carry on watching. I'll just give you a bit of a lowdown telling you all about the subscription. But as always, if you want to skip forward to seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. All links related to this subscription, plus Roccaboxes, limited edition boxes, mystery boxes, any discounts I can find. I'll pop it all down below there. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and you'll find it all down there. The cost of the box is £15 and £2.95 shipping. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. When you log on to the Roccabox website, a pop-up will come up and if you type in your email, it'll give you 15% off. I haven't checked that yet, but I'm assuming you could use that 15% off your first box possibly. But if I can find out any other offers and deals, then you'll find it down below in my description. Inside you find around 5 beauty products every month, ranging from anything beauty related. And if you're curious in seeing what previous boxes have been like, I've got a huge back playlist of Roccabox videos. Not that I'm suggesting you watch them all, because I've been a subscriber, plus I've been receiving PR since they started, since 2017, so a good few years ago now. I've got a huge list of their videos on my website, plus I post up photos and reels on my Instagram and my Facebook page as well, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, so you're welcome to take a look there. But yeah, I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then as always, please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside their April box. So we got a card, and this month it's buzzwords in beauty. That's the theme. Plus the value is over £99 this month. And then it goes into telling you about the products. So I'll refer to that as we go along. But let's give you a sneak peek first. You can't see much. Let's get rid of these worms. There. Still can't see much. On the back here, it's got a sneak peek for their May box. Brand new and trending. You don't want to miss the Caprea Lash and Brow Serum in next month's Roccabox. So everyone will receive that next month. Starting off then with Wonder 2. Wonder Extensions Lash Extension Stain Mascara. 72-hour lash definition. This sounds a bit intriguing. Oh, you might not be able to see anything there due to the ring light. So it's a lash stain, but extensions. Just like a mascara. And it just looks like a mascara. So is it like a lash dye? This is full size and it retails for £19.95. Wouldn't it be great if you could get the lash darkening and lengthening effects of a mascara for more than just one day? Well, you can. This is the breakthrough product that's created a stir amongst beauty editors and is certainly worthy of the buzz. A sort of hybrid mascara and lash tint. You simply swipe on as you would a mascara, but it stains lashes for 3 days. This sounds amazing. Truly genius stuff. Top tip, if you do wish to remove it, simply use an oil-based eye makeup remover. That's amazing. That sounds absolutely amazing. So I'm guessing you use it as you normally would and wash your makeup off as normal, but you're left with a bit of a stain on your... It's like a semi-permanent hair dye, but for your lashes. You know, like you can wash your hair, you know, a little bit of fade will happen and it'll last for a good few washes. I know what I'm on about. But yeah, this is great. This sounds amazing. This sounds really, really great, especially like for summer. If you want to darken up your lashes and get right in at the root, and yeah, I really, really like the idea of this. I'm going to do a reel. I'm going to test this out and do a reel. And I'll pop it up everywhere. So it might only be like a 30-second video or something. But yeah, I'm desperate to try it out to see what it's like. Because my lashes are really fair, they're really short. Just seen a boat just flying down the road. But obviously it's on the back of a truck, but you can't see the truck. It just literally looks like a boat. I'm getting distracted so easily today. I'm so sorry. Really, really sorry. But yeah, I can't wait to see what it's like and to see what it's like on my particular lashes then. So that's the first item. Next up, we got a product by Yogobi, a Dutch skincare brand. AHA Glycolic Peeling Gel. This exfoliating gel with its high concentration of glycolic acid stimulates the skin's cell renewal and reduces impurities, wrinkles and fine lines, so the skin regains its natural glow and is left soft, smooth and rejuvenated. And there's 65 mils here. I've recently received a Yogobi brand takeover box in a different subscription box of all their products. Well, about 5 or 6 of the different products. So I might already have this in there. I haven't used any of the products yet. This is full size and it retails for £23. This exfoliating gel will powerfully stimulate the skin cell renewal process while removing dead skin cells. The result, the skin is left instantly softer, smoother and noticeably glowing. Over time, expect to see improvements in your skin structure with wrinkles lessened, skin tone improved and any age-related pigmentation reduced. It says use a couple of times a week, ideally in the evening, applying a thin layer to clean skin. Just make sure you use sunscreen the following day. Next, I got a Moringa Renewal Treatment Mask by Emma Hardy. Improves radiance and luminosity, improves rehydration, moisture levels and firmness, helps to reduce pigmentation. And ooh! Just throwing them at you. 15 mils there. This is a deluxe mini and it's worth £10. It's enriched with red algae and amino acid and Moringa oleifera seed oil, which when used for 15 minutes have an immediately brightening effect, reducing any red patches and evening out your complexion. You can even leave this mask overnight. Skin will be left plumped out, softer, noticeably glowing and visibly more even in tone. We've got Mask by Emma Hardy. Next we've got a product by Mud Musky and this is Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. Moisture Boost, Vitamin Boost, Feeding, Nourishing and Firming, and fragrance free, pH balance, reduces dark circles, and we got 30 mils there. Now I've got to be honest, of all the Mud Musky products I've tried, I haven't been that keen on many of them, in all honesty. If you've tried any products from this brand that you really love, please let me know down below, because I don't want to think, oh, it's definitely a brand, you know, I wouldn't go out and purchase. It's just the products I've tried from different subscription boxes. I just thought, I haven't really seen much noticeable differences afterwards, like masks, cleansers and things like that, you know. But I do love the idea of a vitamin infused eye serum. Reduces dark glasses. Reduces dark glasses? No! Reduces dark circles. This is full size and it retails for £44. Vitamin C is an excellent ingredient to look for in an eye product. It's a powerful anti-aging tool. Not only does it brighten the area, it also mops up free radicals, you know, the ones that lead to skin aging, and it's also a potent collagen booster. Over time, this can help thicken the under eye area, making the fine lines and wrinkles less visible. Other ingredients in this wonder product include vitamin A, B, E, F and K, all of which feed and nourish the skin, boosting the moisture of your delicate eye area without the use of oils. So we've got an eye serum. And then lastly in the box, we've got something for your hair. This is by Batiste, and this is proud to support NHS charities together, now donating 40p per can. This is a dry shampoo, tropical and bold pink pineapple. That sounds gorgeous. There's 200 mils here. It's a pink pineapple. Woo! Oh, that smells so nice. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Yeah, that smells absolutely beautiful. This is full size and it retails for £3. Some products defy trends and withstand new launches. Dry shampoo is one of them. It's one of the few products that you're guaranteed to use until the very end of the bottle. And the one thing that every beauty editor with their cupboards stuffed full of hot new products will continue to buy month after month. This version, the original of dry shampoos, has added strand strengthening keratin. So while you're using it to turn day 3 hair back to day 1 fresh and give it the right amount of lived in vibes, you can be sure you're also treating and restoring dry damaged locks. So you got a dry shampoo there. So those are all the products inside this month's Roccabox. I'll just gather them all up and I'll add them all up, although they did say at the start, didn't they, that it's worth over £99. I'll just give you a recap. So first up, we've got this Wonder 2 Lash Extension Stain Mascara, which I am really excited to try. Then we've got a Moringa Treatment Mask by Emma Hardy. We've got a Yagobi, a Gentle AHA Peeling Gel. Next we've got a Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. And lastly, a Batiste Dry Shampoo. Looking at the products inside this month's box, yeah, this is definitely the star product for me. Really excited about that, really excited. I'm not sure if I've already got this, as I said, because I just received, just literally about a week or two ago, another box that had lots of products from this brand. If I haven't got it, then yeah, great, no problem, but it sounds an amazing brand from what I was reading up about before. Mud Masky, when I see it in boxes, it's like, oh, okay, it's not really for me. Of all the products I've tried then, I'm just not a fan of the brand in all honesty. But that orange is drawing me in. I got a thing about citrus. It's drawing me in. So I will give it a go. I will see what it's like on my eyes. The Moringa treatment mask, I've tried this a few times. And yeah, it's been in a few different subscription boxes, so it's nothing new. It's a really nice mask, but it's nothing new then. And Batiste Dry Shampoo, I'm cutting down on the amount of dry shampoo I use on my hair. My hair is very fine, very thin, and it's not that great for it. But that's not to say I don't use it. As the information says, it's the type of thing that I always have, and I do really like the scent, so it's a handy product, but I'm still, you know, I'm cutting down on it, on using it then. So overall, a nice box this month. Not a wow one, but a nice box this month. I'd love to hear what you think though. Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? What do you think of the products? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below, and thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.